talk about the 141 experience, why it is so important to us. It's going to open up 3,000 acres of land that's not been developed. 3,000 acres. My friends, that is important to St. Louis County as we move forward in the 21st century. Let me tell you something. Government does not create jobs. No, it does not. What it does is create a framework in which business can operate and create those necessary jobs and opportunities. If we had that 3,000 acres of land 15 years ago, MasterCharge would have never left St. Louis County. They did not want to leave St. Louis County. There was no room. What most people don't understand about St. Louis County, it is an urban county. For the most part, we built out. And the places that are left, either it's too expensive or it's not worth too much. One of the two. But we have an opportunity to recreate ourselves. And I believe that the 141 is the answer going to the 21st century. That's going to be right in the middle of this area, in this region, for commerce. Between Jefferson County and St. Charles County, and St. Louis County is right in the middle. It will be us.